tayo ngayon sa Villar City. Hindi lang sigurado guys kung pwede kami mag-join sa kanila. Hindi kasi kami nagpa-register eh.
Welcome to Villar City. Welcome.
Hindi pa nag-uumpisa, pagod ka na to.
Alright, 10K, please make your mark.
10K. 1K lang kami. Guys, sa unahan yung 10K. Dito lang kami sa likod.
Our
Warm up muna tayo. Warm up.
And while you're waiting, just a reminder to our 10K participants for the first follow our marshals and stay on the right. Again, 0.5, you may stay on the right and follow our marshals.
Cute.
And please be careful and enjoy our fast track, a fun run at Villar City. Before gun start of the 5K participants. Countdown is 2 minutes. Before that, let's have another quick photo opportunity of all the 5K participants. The next hub for business and town, healthy way of living, providing a safe space to freely run, walk, bike, and for 5K
Camera shy.
Participants, best of luck and enjoy the fast track, a fun run right here at Villar City. Best of luck to all our participants. Make your way down to the starting line. Your gun start will begin at exactly 6. Again, calling all the 3K participants, please make your way down to the start. Please be careful downhill. Alright, again, our 3K participants, I hope you guys are ready. You guys are down to the 4-minute countdown. Gun start will begin shortly. Perfect. Are you ready? Let's pump up the energy a little more. 3K participants, can I hear from you? Are you ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3K participants, best of luck to all of you. Please stay hydrated and make sure to slow down on the downhill slope. And there you have it, our 3K participants.
Dami, 3K. Chill lang. Ang ganda. Buti na yun guys, malamig. Hindi siya mainit. Buti na lang guys, malamig ang panahon ngayon. 6:34 ng umaga ngayon. Malamig. Wala pang araw. Let's go. Ganda na liwanag.
Go fast. And we were here.
So guys, pabalik na kami. Papunta pala doon. Sayang walang hangin pero malamig yung panahon. Go. Hindi pa tayo nakakapunta sa finishing line. Saan na? Ay, kita mo na yung pula? Okay, siguro Huwag naman. Kaya pa.
Kasi makabalik na ito para finish.
Oo nga pala, may sign doon na finish. Hindi kami nagpa-register guys. Kaya wala kami t-shirt. So guys, babalik na sila. Ay, tanggal naman yung sintas guys. Pahinga muna, yan o. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa U-turn. U-turn, 3K. 3K na tayo, U-turn.
3K U-turn!
Hindi tayo huhingi ng tubig dyan dahil hindi tayo nagpa-register. Hindi kami humingi guys ng tubig dun sa may 3K U-turn. Hindi kami nagpa-register. Baybayad kasi dito ang pa-register. 800 pa yata kung hindi ako nagkakamali. May libre ka na syempre ng t-shirt. Go, go! 3K lang to. Kayang-kaya. Hindi ko pa nakikita sila ate. 1K yung pinarticipate nila kasama si Toffee. Go, go, go. Buti lang wala pang araw. Walang hangin pero malamig naman kahit wala siyang hangin. Ano pala si Haring Araw? Guys, yung 1K U-turn. Wala silang tubig dito. Hindi kagaya dun sa 3K. Pag nag-U-turn, meron tubig. Go, go, go. Naka-2K na tayo. Malapit na. Guys, lapit na tayo guys. Paakyat medyo tumitigas yung paa natin ng konti lang. Relax muna natin. Ayan na guys, lapit na. Nakuha natin 3K. Diba? Kulang pa, hindi pa pagod. Dapat sinalihan natin yung 5K. Ayan na guys. Woo! 3K, we did it. Ba? Woo!
Website
Guys, tapos na.
is registered
Ilan?
on their
3K ba kayo, Tia? 1K? 1K lang? Oo, 1K?
Again, the time is
Wow! Cute! Wow! 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 Sarap-sarap! Tito, bakit tayo umikot?
Malambot lang sa to.
Ayaw umikot. Bakit? Sarap na sarap pa. Sarap na sarap siya. Parang gusto magpabilit niya. Sapatos. Kaya yung Thank you. Naka 3K tayo. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
organic nutrition.
Guys, pagkatapos ng fun run, yan. Kainan na.
Walang higanap na ng pagkain.
Pinirap din pala itong kahit niya.
Kung nag-ano ka sa kalikaw mo, nanalo ka. Nauuna ka, tamo na yung una.